I think that the new technology that's available for measurement and sensors and the Internet of Things and all that sort of technology, it seems there'd be a lot of exhibitors that are talking about that, and I think that's kind of like the thing that heat treaters need to look at. So I'm kind of excited to learn more about that and how it would work in our plant. I like learning something new. I've talked to a couple people so far that stuff I had no idea that even existed or how it affects our industry. So I like that part about learning something new, and it seems like every time I talk to somebody, they know somebody that I know or have some history with something that I'm familiar with. So I think that's pretty fun to make those connections and get to meet some new people and hopefully keep in touch with them going forward. I met with somebody that I had listened to this morning I forget the name of the company, but that they did some combustion engineering, and so I got to talk to him in his environment with, at his booth, and I thought, and he gave me some literature, and it's something I definitely want to follow up on. It's just kind of some behind the scenes heat treating technology that I didn't know existed, and I'm interested to learn more about it.
Well, Tom, first of all, thank you for having me. I always enjoy Furnaces North America. I happen to have the privilege of being at the very first one, which is held in a hotel in Cleveland and was an absolute madhouse. But what I must say and what I enjoy the most is the changing technologies, the new technologies that are being offered, whether they're with SCR, silicon control rectifiers, or with the latest advances in carbon-carbon composite fibers. So I really enjoy the technology that's on display at this show. Well, I think the key, Tom, to me is networking. And I think that's not only what this show is about, it's what MTI is about. The idea that we can network with individuals, solve problems, because we're all engineers and problem solvers, and that's what we're looking to do. So to me, the ability to talk to people, to network, to find out what's new in both their professional lives and their personal lives, and to reinforce all those associations and know that we can educate the next generation of heat treaters. That's what's exciting about this show. Well, interestingly enough, I'm still looking for that furnace without walls, but I haven't seen anyone promoting that. But what I have seen is a number of companies that are promoting technologies that I think are interesting, whether they're innovations in endothermic gas generators or gas generation equipment, to the latest in vacuum technology. So you see the whole gambit, and you see the materials and supplies that support those pieces of equipment. It's quite exciting.
I think the greatest thing that I heard today, and there was a lot of good talks, was one where we learned about how we could use the data that we've been collecting for like our temperature uniformity surveys and actually put that in a different format that will help us like predict issues that could possibly go on with one of our furnaces. So I thought that was a great presentation and something I want to definitely take home with me, and we're going to implement something like that. I think all the products are awesome. There's so much innovation going on and new technology, and I'm just more excited about the excitement from all of the attendees here. The attendance is great, the people are great, reconnecting with a lot of new friends and old friends. It's just awesome. Well, I think it makes it a lot easier when you have an issue at home at your own plant. If there's something going on, it's like you know who you can call, you know who you can count on, and who's going to come back and help you out.